everybody. Today I'm making oatmeal banana pancakes. They're super, super easy and they're pretty healthy for you. So we're gonna do a half a cup of oatmeal. I use instant oatmeal and I put it in my mini bullet. I do a whole banana, you can do half. I put in 2 eggs. I usually like to crack them in a separate bowl. I do not like shells. There we go, 2 eggs. I'm going to add some vanilla. Let me just pick this up, guys. Sorry. Gonna add some vanilla. I eyeball it, but you can do about a teaspoon or so. Add some cinnamon. I like a lot of cinnamon. Who do I have watching, Kevin?
Mary Luz, Clarissa, Beauchamp.
Yeah. Hi, Clarissa. Hi, everybody. I have Kevin as my videographer, so.
Elizabeth Ramirez
Hi,
Moreno.
Ellie. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my bullet. Super easy, guys. What I do is, once it's like starting to mix, I just take it out and just shake it a little bit so I get all of it. Every little bit counts, as we all know. When I turn on the skillet, I like mine nice and crispy on the outside, so I put it on the highest setting. Drives Kevin crazy when I put it on the highest setting, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm going to now put a little bit of butter, not a lot, just a little bit, just to grease the bottom here. Because we want to keep it light. This is actually very fast, quick, and easy. You can prep it for the night before.
Nelly.
Hi, Nelly. But to be honest with you, I do it in the mornings, and it's really yummy. So again, we have the ingredients are oatmeal, 2 eggs, I have vanilla, cinnamon, and it's half a cup of oatmeal, 2 eggs, teaspoon of vanilla, and I use a teaspoon of cinnamon, a little bit more, and then we have someone that knows someone that has a maple farm in upstate New York, so I get my maple from upstate New York. But you can preferably maple syrup, not the store-bought, you know, nasty stuff. Okay, so this looks like it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in. And for me, it's all about the visual. So if I see 5 pancakes, then I'm gonna eat 5 pancakes, so I just go ahead and make it into 5 pancakes. Hi, who? Mary. Hi, Mary. Kevin he keeps on waving at me every time he sees someone pop up, so.
Jose Martinez.
Hi, Jose, he's my cousin. He's actually a chef in Puerto Rico. Thumbs up, I see your food, it's freaking awesome. I wish I could have some.
Give you a thumbs up.
So, again, now we're gonna just let it cook a little bit on one side and then cook a little bit on the other. It almost doesn't look like it's cooked here, but I can still flip that baby. You see? I should have worn the apron my daughter gave me for my birthday, which is not yet, but I have a thing about aprons. Now, I like my pancakes to almost look like crepes, so I like to squish them. But if you like them nice and fluffy, just leave them alone. This really looks messy, guys, but it's really good, I promise you. I have my plate ready to go. I'm going to give it one more flip because I'm going to mess. And if you want to add more butter to it, just add it. I mean,
Nancy finally came on.
Hi, Nancy! I've known Nancy for ages. We were neighbors in Cape Cod. I miss you. She makes the best chocolate cake in the world. Kevin loves them.
Celise Gonzalez. Teresa.
Hey, Teresa, my lovely neighbor next door. These are great pancakes, I'm telling you. They're so healthy. And you can add blueberries, you can add chocolate chips, you can add just about anything. I have bananas, I'm gonna add bananas. Obviously, I have tons of blueberries because I went blueberry picking, but I was too lazy, so.
Nancy says hello. Miss you too.
Yeah. You need to move, retire in Florida, Nancy. Okay, so let's look at my pancakes here. They're looking pretty good. Again, I like my pancakes a little well done on the edges because I like that little crunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate them here. I'm gonna make my other one because I have enough for a mini one. Let me just put a little bit there. And again, it's the same. I mean, you can make one ginormous one if you have a big enough, pan, or you can make little ones. You can make little mini ones, and it'll look. The more you see, the more you think you're eating, but it's all the same thing. So in the meantime, let's just get these babies ready. So we have the natural syrup, which the maple syrup, which I absolutely love. Obviously, some people like honey, some people just like jelly over it. I prefer.
Nancy wants to know what's in the batter because she
The
came in late.
batter is half a cup of oatmeal, a banana, or any fruit of your choice. And then you add 2 eggs. I put it in the bullet and I just let that grind together and let it mix up and thin out really good. And then I just cook it up.
Kevin Mogelin.
Oh, hi, Mr. Kevin.
Belina Pino.
Hi, Belinda. It's been years. We need to talk. So here we go. I'm going to pour a little bit of syrup on this puppy.
And again, where'd that come from?
Who? Yes, I already did. You weren't
You
listening.
got new people.
Well, the maple syrup is from a co-worker of mine that has family member that owns a maple farm. However, you can get maple syrup anywhere. Just make sure it's the real deal. I'm not a fan of the Aunt Jemima stuff. It's just too much sugar and it's corn syrup. So, but you can put honey on it. You don't even have to put anything. You can put powdered sugar. So I'm gonna flip this puppy again. Again, you can let it cook until it's through and through, but I like my pancakes nice and flat and thin, almost like crepes. That's the way I grew up eating them. So that's why we have it like this. But anyway, let's try a piece of this.
Belinda.
Wish you guys could be here.
Belinda, love you.
I love you more. So, again, looks kind of sloppy, but trust me, it's amazing. Good stuff. Good stuff. You guys have to try it. Let me know how you like the recipe. I might be baking blueberry muffins this afternoon or later on because I have a boatload of blueberries in my freezer and I need space. So let me know how you liked it. I hope you liked it. I'm going to give you the recipe one more time because it's that easy. It's half a cup of oatmeal, instant oatmeal. I have 2 eggs, banana, and vanilla and cinnamon. Again, your fruit can be just about anything. And you mix it in the bullet or in the blender or whatever. You really have to grind it up. And then you just pour it over a hot skillet with a little bit of butter or Pam or spray, cooking spray or olive oil. Cook that baby up. Serve it on the plate. You can even put fruit over it. I like maple syrup. And,
Nancy says you're a natural, Bev. You should do more demos often.
Oh, Nancy, I love you. Anyway.
She also said put crumb coat on top of there. Delicious.
Put what?
Crumbs. Crumb coat.
What's a crumb coat?
Crump. C-R-U-M-B.
Kevin can't read. Sorry, guys.
B. Crump.
I don't know.
Crumb.
Okay, I'm silencing you. I'll read it and I'll see and give me the recipe in case I don't have it.
Nelly looks good.
All right, guys. Well, as soon as I decide to do something, what I'm going to do, I'll do it again. Talk to you soon. Buen provecho.